Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic. How do I transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kraken in 2025? If you're looking to move your digital assets between exchanges, this guide will make it straightforward and stress-free. With the crypto world evolving fast, we'll cover the latest best practices to keep your transfers secure and efficient. First things first, let's get started on Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account using your email, phone, or two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, click on the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll enter the destination details. Next, switch to your Kraken account. If you don't have one yet, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. In Kraken, go to the Deposit section and choose the same cryptocurrency you're sending. You'll get a unique wallet address. Copy that carefully because it's your key to success. Back on Coinbase, paste this address into the Recipient field, double-check everything, and set the amount. Don't forget to review any network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion, especially in 2025 with more advanced scaling solutions. Hit Confirm on Coinbase, and you'll get a transaction summary. Wait for the confirmation emails from both platforms. Crypto transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, log back into Kraken to see your crypto arrive in your account. A quick word of caution. Always use the exact network specified, like Ethereum for ERC20 tokens, to avoid lost funds. In 2025, with new regulations and enhanced security features, make sure your accounts have two-factor authentication enabled. That's it, you've successfully transferred your crypto. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.